So good morning all. So nowadays we are studying about the types of network. So today we are going to study about the types of network based on communication channel. So the beginning of this chapter we already studied the different types of communication channel. Mainly there are two types of communications, wired and wireless. Or simply we can say that guided and unguided medias. So here based on that the network is also classified into wired computer network and wireless computer network. So first we can study the wired computer network. So from this name it is clear that wired computer network, the host and other devices are interconnected by through wires or cables. Most of the wired computer networks are LAN type, local area network. So here in our lab also, so look at that here. In our lab also we connected that all the system by using the LAN cables only. So here cables are here, all the system by LAN cables only. So this type of networks are called a wired network. So here most commonly cabled used in wired network are mainly three types: twisted pair, coaxial cable, then optical fiber. So first one, twisted pair. The twisted pair cable is a pair of insulated wires that are twisted together to improve electromagnetic capability and reduce noise from outside sources. So in the physics chapters you study about the noise, what do you mean by noise. So here in order to avoid that electromagnetic interference and the noises, so there is one cover is there, twisted pair cable, that is insulated by using a cover. So the twisted pair cables are available in various forms called Cat1, Cat2, Cat3, Cat4, Cat5 and Cat6. So Cat is nothing but category. Category 1, Category 2 up to Category 6. So you can use twisted pair cable also to connect the computers in a network. So next one, coaxial cable. So here look at that figure is available here. Twisted pair like that, twisted pair like this only. So this is a figure of coaxial cable, coaxial. So in this table consists of solid wires cord surrounded by one or more foils or wire shields. Look at that, this area only that exact cable, but it is surrounded by 1, 2, 3 jackets. So each is separated by some kind of plastic insulators. So there are mainly two types of coaxial cables are available. First one is called a thick net, second one is called a thin net. So sometimes question are like that, cat1 is an example of dash, or thick net is an example of dash, or give an example of a coaxial cable. So you need to study that different names also. So last one is called optical fiber. So nowadays we are using optical fibers only, so in order to increase the speed. So here in optical fiber data is transferred in the form of light only. So in the physics we already studied that, like total internal reflection. So when the incident angle is greater than the reflected angle, angle I is greater than angle R, the light is entirely moved to total and internal reflection. So this feature is used in optical fiber cable in order to send the data. So here common types of fiber optics cables are single node and multi node. So these are the different types of wired network, wired. So these are the different cables used in wired network. Second one, wireless computer network. So wireless, so from the names we can understand that there is no need of any wire. So instead of wire we are using infrared and radio frequency, satellite etc. So it is used also in LAN and WAN. So we can study one by one what are the different transmission media used in wireless network. First one, microwave. So microwaves are very high frequency wave that are used to transmit the data wirelessly over long distance. Microwave transmission consists of a transmitter, a receiver, and an atmosphere. So in this commonly we know that in order to send something we need a transmitter. So for receiving that we need a receiver. So in between that we need one medium. So here in this case, in the case of microwave, it is medium is atmosphere only. So here microwave radiation can be used to transmit a signal such as mobile phone calls. So nowadays we are using mobile phone calls here that by using microwave only. So next one, radio wave. So radio wave means the frequency is higher than 3 gigahertz. It is named as radio wave. So look at that here. Radio waves are used to transmission television and radio programs. Well, in the case of mobile we are using microwave. But in the case of television and radio programs we are using radio wave. All the radios today using continuous sine waves to transmit information such as audio and video. So nowadays we are using Wi-Fi that has become the common word today, also used the radio wave to transmit data among connected devices. So this is nothing but Wi-Fi is nothing but radio waves, by using radio waves only. So next one, satellite microwave. A satellite communication is a special case of microwave system. Satellite communication used to synchronous satellite to relay the radio signal to transmit from the ground station. So from the satellite the data is sent to the ground station. We are using satellite microwave. So these are the main 3 wireless medias, wireless transmission medias: microwave, radio wave, and satellite microwave. So today we study on the basis of communication channel networks classified into 2, wired and wireless. Then we study that different medias used in wired like a twisted pair, coaxial cable, fiber optics. We study that the different wireless transmission technology medias: microwave, radio wave, and satellite. So here up to here we complete that different types of network. So tomorrow onwards we can start the networking devices, different networking devices. So hope you understand today's section. Make the notes, understand.